Hi, I'm Wael, founder of Udaress, and today I'm going to be showing you how Udaress can help teachers personalize learning for every student in their classroom and gain a lot of insights on every student in their class in a way that wasn't possible before AI. Now, as a teacher, I can go here and create a new activity, and I can upload any of the existing teaching material that I have that I usually give access to my students. So here I'm going to upload a document about photosynthesis. The AI will take it, analyze it. I can even upload a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF, even a video, anything that I have as existing teaching material. The AI will study it and will create an activity from it. I can also choose to show the resource to my student or to extract specific questions from this resource in case it was a quiz or an exam. I can also give more guidance to the AI, like for example, use everyday examples to explain the topics for my students. For example, I can type this here, students. I can also dictate the behavior of the AI. So whether I wanted to tutor my students as a very patient and pedagogical tutor that will act that is very responsive, that can really support every student on their according to their level of understanding. This tutor will have has already built in all the frameworks of pedagogy, whether it's scaffolding techniques or Bloom taxonomy, where we help the students really understand every topic on different layers, from understanding to applying it, from understanding to memorizing to applying, and to really create with the topic. We can also choose to quiz the students, where the AI will be a bit more strict. It will not give hints, it will not guide the students, but it will try to evaluate the understanding of the students according to this topic. We also have the platform in English, French, and even in Arabic for the Middle East region. Finally, we can here decide on the number of questions or the length of the quiz and the format of the questions or the activity. I will put it as tutor. I will put 7 questions, and I can choose what type of format, true or false, multiple choice, or open-ended, or put a mix. I will leave it at mix. Now the next step is to set the learning objectives. So now the AI knows exactly the topic that I want to teach my students, but what are the exact objectives under this topic? Here is my chance to dictate this for the AI. I can very easily edit the objectives according to my teaching style or to my school objectives. I can even delete, add any objective that I have in mind. Once this is set, I can move to the final step where I can review the questions and add, modify, and edit any question that I already have. As you can see here, I have the question. I also have the possible answers with the correct answer for multiple choice, true or false, same thing, open-ended, same thing. We have the question and the correct answer. And I can very easily edit or even add questions if I have anything in mind. Once everything is set, I review the assignment completely and I send it to my students. Now, once my students go through the assignment, the AI will be supporting each and every one of them in the most pedagogical way, helping them according to the level of literacy, according to the level of reasoning, according to the level of depth, how much they understand the topic, level of interest, how much are they interested in the topic, and we really tailor the questions according to every student's needs. Once this is done, as a teacher, I can see exactly how my class performed. So I can see how many students submitted the assignment. If students were trying to cheat, the AI Udaress will highlight this. And most importantly, according to the objectives that I previously set, the AI will highlight on a high level how many students mastered this objective and how many students are struggling with this objective. And in case, for example, one of the objectives was totally red, so I know that my class is struggling in this objective, and next session I will dedicate maybe the first 10-15 minutes to go over this and explain it to my students. And not only this, this is on a class level, but on individual level, we can see exactly how every student in the class performed according to my objectives, and the AI will highlight the strength of every student in the classroom and the area of improvement of every student in the classroom according to those objectives that I previously set. So now, as a teacher, I have a beautiful report where the AI gave me all of this report according for every student in the class. And not only that, I can also see exactly how every student performed. I have full visibility over the conversation. I can see exactly how the students interacted with the AI, and the AI will highlight in green everything that is correct, and it will highlight in red everything that is wrong. So now, as a teacher, at a glance, I can see exactly how every student performed. So I have full control over the behavior of the AI and full visibility over everything the students are doing with the AI. And this AI is fully aligned with all the pedagogical frameworks and will give me all the insights and data that I need to know my students and my class better. Now I'm gonna show you from the student side. Now here I'm from the student point of view. I can see here my new activities and my submitted activities. I can go through, for example, let's say this activity, and I can see the questions that I have. Every activity is constructed from multiple questions, but every question is a conversation on its own. So I can interact with the AI around every question, and the AI will try to help me every one question at a time. I can also see exactly, I can see the resource that the teacher has shared with me, and I can discuss every question with the AI. I can even for example, instead of typing with it, I can even speak to it. For example, I don't know, can you help me please? I hate school. For example, the AI here will take my voice. I can send it to the AI, and the AI will be very understanding and will really help me to the best way, in the best way possible. So this is Udaress. This is how we're helping schools build, use AI in a very safe and ethical way. And one very important fact is that very recently we did an A/B test with the same school, same grade, student grade, same teacher, same everything. Group A was using Udaress, Group B wasn't using Udaress, and in 3 weeks we did a quiz, and 100% of the students who were using the platform got at least 8/10 on the quiz, whereas the other group had an average of 6/10. So we're really seeing the impact of personalized tutoring and personalized learning for every student. And this is what we're trying to build for the schools in the Middle East and around the world. Thank you.